Here we go. We got another car to yank, man. Non-consensual towing. It's what we do, man. We yank cars. People get mad, but it's what we do. Anyway, I got a Texas plate up here. I think it's a June, Texas, and it's Mercedes-Benz. So I got to be careful loading it. But I'm gonna get a hook on it. We'll see what happens. We may have some drama. Wouldn't be surprised if we don't have a little bit of drama on this car here. But I'm fairly certain somebody's driving this car every day. Like I said, these cars, they were stickered 18 days ago. All this person had to do was contact their front office, and they wouldn't get towed. But they didn't call the office or contact anybody at all. Anyway, we got that Benz. It took me 5 minutes to load it. I'm really surprised nobody came out on that car. I imagine they're probably sleeping. They do have all four wheels locked down, so it's either all-wheel drive or it's got the electric e-brake on. But anyway, we got it hooked, and I'm gonna go here and sign it out. Hey there, we're back on it again. Looks like I got a Florida tag, out-of-state plate. It's expired. It's not very expired, but looks like the car's been sitting here for a while. It's kind of double parked, so we're gonna hook it. It's not that hard to fix these tags. She probably got that tag a couple of days ago and just didn't put it on the car. But this property here, they had 6 days to fix their issues, and that was enough time for that particular person to get their tag straightened out. She had no problem getting it. It's not that difficult. You just got to be adamant about it. You can't let things slide through the cracks. Next thing you know, you're going to be on the back of a tow truck. Anyway, we're going to roll up here to the front. Maybe we can find us a wheel lifter. If not, we're going to sign this one out. It is 5 o'clock. If you're looking to have confrontations and if you're looking for problems, then doing these impounds 5 or 6 o'clock is a perfect time for drama. I just found my green 4Runner. It's got no tag on it. That car right here, they this got a jack up underneath it. Yeah, this one's got to go. Wow. Why would you spray paint your windows? Anyway, I'm gonna have to lock this one out. What's going on, man? I don't know, man. The office calling for this thing to be towed, man. Wow. Does it run?
It runs. It's just we're currently doing maintenance on it.
Well, it's got stuff. You got stuff all up underneath the car.
Yeah.
Hey, that's the kind of thing that she don't want. There's a jack or there's something up underneath the other side. That's the kind of stuff she don't want on property, man. And she's not that particular about it. But if you don't call her, man, you get yanked. She will tow it. And you didn't call her, so you need to talk to her.
You know her number?
I don't know her main number. I mean, I know where the office is at. It's just right up here. But it's up to you to contact her because she will tow it. I mean, that's just if she don't know the car runs, she has the right to tow it.
Okay, yeah. Both these cars run. It's just the fact that we're doing.
Well, that one wasn't. That one wasn't stickered at all. Well, it looks like you're doing a little more. It looks like you're doing some painting too.
Oh yeah, we doing painting. we already got the paint. I know right here we're doing some what do you call it? Some tinting.
Yeah,
all that.
I got you.
Yeah. So.
Well, hey, listen. I know you got a good tag.
Yeah.
Just contact the manager and tell her, hey, this car runs. So let her know what's going on because if she don't know, she'll tow it.
Okay. Yeah. No problem.
Yeah. Just keep in contact with her. If you get a sticker, just call her. You know what I'm saying?
No problem.
Have a good one, sir. Oh man, this guy say doing a little maintenance on it. Somebody painted the windows with orange paint, man. Doing a little maintenance on it. Oh man, I shouldn't be laughing at this guy, man. I should not be laughing at nobody, man. I'm not laughing at this situation. I'm laughing at the orange and black paint. Because that's pretty comical. I would never laugh at somebody's financial situation. I don't want anybody to get the wrong idea on that, man, because I've been there. I've been broke with no car or nothing before. I know what it's like to not have anything. So I'm the last person you'll see make fun of somebody's financial situation. I got a Mazda Millennia. I'm gonna drop it right here, and I'm gonna wheel lift this Millennia. Then I'm gonna turn around and load that. We drop the Millennia, and I'm gonna load the 4Runner, and then load the Millennia back up on the wheel lift. That way we got two. We got those two loaded up. That gentleman with the Honda. The guy with the orange and black Honda that was doing maintenance on his car, he gave me a thumbs up. Pretty sure he talked to the manager. He looked like he was real happy. I think she gave me some extra time. His car wouldn't really be that big of an issue, except he's got a bunch of car parts and junk up underneath the car. You can't put stuff up under the car and then tell people the car runs, because they're not going to believe you. But his tag's good, so it's up to him to keep his manager happy. I can't do it for him. I don't pick and choose, man. They tell us what not to tow, and we don't tow it. Anyway, I'm rolling here to the office right now, and we're gonna sign out and get out of here. Well, we always got some tow lot drama. Let's go over here and see if we can catch a little bit of tow lot drama over here.
Can you bring my car now too, after this? Yeah. Thank you, Lord.
that other guy. I don't have to do that.
I told him, man, this place ain't worth. This place is not worth the work. You don't.
Yeah. It's got to be done. It's a job. It's got to be done, though.
Yeah.
When
I
he-
just spent like $5,000 on my head. I can't be in the dust.
5,000 on that hair. On that hairdo.
With a hair transplant. I can't
Nuh-uh.
be in the dust. And that's why I want to get
You
out
got a
of here.
transplant, man? Oh, you can't be in the sun.
Yeah, can't be in the sun, can't be in the dust too. There's
Yeah.
a lot of dust over there.
Dang, man. Where'd you get that done at?
I'm in here.
Here? Yeah. Cool.
So I'm just trying to get out of here.
Oh, I
gotta
understand.
Pay the money and get out of here.
Yeah, yeah. Hey, he's gonna hook you up. He'll hook you up, man.
Thanks.
And I'm waiting too. I'm not gonna block you in all that. I'll let him pay you out and get you out of the way. Anyway, I don't know if y'all caught that, but that guy that's got his car impounded. He said he just got a $5,000 hair transplant, and he's got to get out of here. It's gonna mess up his new hairdo. Anyway, I hope it heals up well for him. Not making fun of the guy, but he said he's got to go. He just got a new hairdo. Anyway.